Roofing SEO is changing fast as Google rolls out AI overviews. But that doesn't mean your business has to lose visibility. To stay ahead, focus on content that's clear, trustworthy, and packed with real facts. Homeowners want straight answers, so share details like how long asphalt shingles or metal roofs last, what they cost, and what warranties cover. Write in the same language homeowners use when searching. Like, how much does a new roof cost? Or, when should I replace my roof? Address urgent problems, such as leaks or storm damage, with step-by-step guides and real examples. Keep your pricing and timelines up to date, and turn customer reviews into new pages that highlight what matters most. Build resource hubs with inspection guides, maintenance tips, and cost breakdowns. These strategies help your roofing company stand out in Google's AI overviews and attract more qualified leads.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.